Patuloy ang pagbabahagi ni Ellen Adarna ng ilang mga screenshot at tinatawag niyang resibo sa tila pang-aabuso pagdating sa pagsasalita at kung magkakaroon nga ng mga confrontation si Ellen at Derek sa kanilang pagsasama. Kaya naman sa kanyang paglabas ng mga resibo na ito, nadinig ng mga netizen kung paano nga i-confront ni Derek si Ellen tuwing magkakaroon sila ng argument. At ilang mga netizen na nagsabi na sana daw ay hindi ito inilalabas sa publiko at ang away mag-asawa ay dapat gawin nilang dalawa ng tahimik. Pero nagbigay ng paliwanag si Ellen na ayon sa kanya, kailangang i-expose ang ganitong mga ugali at hindi dapat tinotolerate. And the reason I'm exposing this is simple. Behavior like this, cheating, psychological abuse, disrespect toward women should never be tolerated. When we stay silent, we enable it. We deserve safety, honesty, and respect, and calling this out is how we break the pattern and demand accountability. Ayon pa kay Ellen, kung magkakaroon man ng away, dapat may respeto pa rin at walang murahan. Kung magkaaway man, let's keep it respectful, walang murahan, walang sigawan. Normal lang ang conflict. It takes two to tango, but cursing and shouting should never be part of it. There are healthier ways to express anger. Going beast mode is never the solution. I'm no saint and I'm not pretending to be perfect. I know I can be difficult sometimes. Minsan I shut down and give the silent treatment, and I understand that can trigger people who are very confrontational. Dagdag pa niya, after talking and comparing notes with the exes, we agreed na ako na lang ang spokesperson since I'm the fearless one to speak. They've actually endured worse than I have, and they gave me their full blessing to raise the banner for all of us. And told them, don't worry, I got you girls. Pinatanggol din naman ng mga netizens si Ellen Adarna. Sa mga nagsasabi na she should keep it private, she has all the right to defend herself since Derek is out here spreading lies and gaslighting her. When she and John Lloyd broke up, you never heard a thing because JL has class and never spoke ill about the mother of his child, so there was no need to defend herself. Derek is just getting what he deserves. Ellen is not one to sit and cry in a corner, and honestly, women should be inspired by this. Dagdag pa ng isa, FYI, she was silent about this issue until Derek provoked her. It was him who posted first about pa-victim. If you followed them both on IG, you knew who aired the issue first. It was Derek, the pa-victim husband, kaya na-triggered ang girl. Ayun, labas tuloy ang mga resibo. He deserves it. He's a narcissist. Ilang mga photo naman ang pinakita ni Ellen na kasama niya ang ex-girlfriend ni Derek na si Joanne Villablanca. Ngayon naman ay nananahimik pa rin si Derek sa mga issue na ito at wala pang ipinapalabas na anumang pahayag.